Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 in cash. Just got this one shined up. This is a 2018 Honda Accord. It's only got 24,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax certified one owner, still under factory bumper to bumper warranty. It's a very shiny black, full-size sedan. It's got a nice little backup camera built in right under the trunk lid there. It's the new body style. Gorgeous car. Below the industry average of 15,000 miles a year. It's got our standard power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Got the trunk button right there. Beautiful black cloth interior. Heavy duty Accord branded floor mats. Let's go ahead and start it up. Very quiet. Air blows cold. As you can see, it's got just over 24,000 miles on it. Radio works great. Also in that screen is your backup camera. Got your AC controls. It's got dual AC controls for driver and passenger. It's got your electronic brake, your economy mode. It's got a little power outlet down in the glove box. It's got another little storage compartment here with USB and power outlets. Again, heavy duty floor mats in the back. Beautiful black back seats. It keeps beeping at me because the keys are not in the car. It is a proximity remote. Let me get it for you here. As you can see, you just have to have it in your possession. Got your little owner's manual in the glove box. Gets close to 40 miles a gallon on the highway. Decent tires. Clean engine bay. Love to get you approved on this one. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the application, and we'll get you approved. Remember, trust the duck.